knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos, just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. Hello everyone, I want to share with you one of my things to live by, and that is that exercise is the fountain of youth. I used to say going to the gym was the fountain of youth. I realized everyone can't go to the gym, don't have the time to go to the gym, but now I've thought about it. Exercising is the fountain of youth. And I know diet is important, but along with diet and exercising, you can have a very healthy life and you'll be able to enjoy it because you're healthy. Life is something we need to be able to enjoy, and being healthy goes right along with the enjoyment of life. So those things work hand in hand. So what I've done is came up with 3 exercises from my military background that if you do these every day, 5 days a week, 7 days a week if you're committed, it'll help you stay healthy so that you'll be able to enjoy life, be able to get outside and do the things that you want to do. So these 3 exercises, don't go off the rail when I say them: push-ups, sit-ups, and cardio. Let me explain. Push-ups, a lot of people can't do the full body range push-ups, so you can do them on your knees, easy enough. You can't do them on your knees, you can do them off of the bureau in your bedroom or the counter in your kitchen. You can start there, okay? And you'll want to start with doing 3 sets, starting with 5 if you can, 3 sets of 5, and do that for a week, and then each week go up another 5 until 20. And then when you hit 20, that's your max out, and you just keep doing 20. Trust me, you'll get there very easily, and you'll see the difference in a short amount of time. So push-ups is the first one. Sit-ups. Your core part of your body is something that is very important with all your movement. Push-ups handle the upper body, the upper body strength. It's needed. It's a must-have. But your core, your abdominals, are one of the most important because everything stems from there. So a lot of people can't do traditional sit-ups, but they can do crunches, leg raises. You're on your back, you raise your knees up to your chest, and you can do bicycle or scissors or leg splitters. All those different types of exercises that will help you with your core. Those are some of the things that you need to look at. You can also, in a stand-up position, twist back and forth, which also helps with your core abdominal area. And the last one is cardio. Cardio is very important for your circulation and your heart health. So it's something that you need to look at and you need to have in your daily routine because it's vital for the heart to have good circulation, and cardio will help that happen. So if you can't run, a lot of people can't, you can walk, okay? And you want to do that. You walk for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20. To that 20 should be good. If you can't do it like that, then you can do from where you are to the end of the block around your neighborhood, walk up to the block and come back down. Time that, and then each day do that and try to decrease the time each week, bringing up that cardio, raising that heart rate. Very important. You also can ride a bike if your knees allow you to ride a bike to build up your cardio. So there are a lot of things you can do for your cardio that can get you on your way to having a better health and a routine that fits you that'll work for you. And that's what it's all about. Having the routine work for you, fit into your lifestyle so that you can do it every day and without fail and be healthy and live an enjoyable life. So those 3 exercises are my recommendation as the fountain of youth for you to enjoy life. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and see you on the next one.
More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.